What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Rae with me, Rae. I am a professional hairdresser, hairstylist, cosmetologist. You know, we go by many a name, but I've been in the hair industry for 14 years. I don't even know how that's possible, but I have a lot of experience and a lot of things that I am just eager to share with all of you. I am also a huge animal lover. You will frequently find animals roaming around in my background of my videos. I have 2 toy poodles, and then in our house we have around 4 cats. You know, they're just living their best lives. Also feeding some neighborhood cats, so if I'm ever filming outside, you might see them too. I think we might be feeding a baby possum right now as well. We've also in the past fed some raccoons, you know, the things that come with leaving cat food outdoors. You get lots of critters. I try to stay upbeat and happy so that I can just like pass that happy vibe on to you. And I am a recently turned vegan, so if you have any advice for me, please let me know, because it has been a whole thing learning how to eat again, but I'm feeling great and I'll probably end up doing some videos on that. And I'm recently engaged. Not that I can show you because my ring is off being resized. What you can expect to find on my channel is a lot of whimsy, silly shenanigans. I do a ton of home hair and beauty videos. So if you are looking to color your own hair or just better ways to style it, I have the video for you. And if I don't, let me know so I can make a video just for you. If you are looking to color your own hair, do me a favor and go check out my Home Hair Academy playlist. So this playlist will have everything you need from how to identify what level your hair currently is, to help you formulate, to what developer you need, and different kinds of stuff. And again, if you don't find what you're looking for, do me a favor and leave me a comment so I can get that content queued up for you. I also do some lifestyle videos, meaning whatever whimsical shenanigans I am wanting to do that week. So that'll be under my Whimsical Wednesday playlist, which don't actually come out on Wednesdays, but it started on Wednesdays, so it seemed appropriate. I have started dividing them up because Whimsical Wednesday could be like anything from crafting to cooking. Sometimes I talk about my feelings, you know, in however whimsical way I can do that. But if you're looking for something outside the home hair shenanigans and just want some happy, feel good, whatever, scoot on over to that. And if you have any content you're wanting me to make that you think I might know about, let me know, because I am here for you guys. All right, y'all, leave me some comments. Let me know how you're feeling, what you're doing, what your life is like. You can always find my social media information in the descriptions of my videos. And if I ever have like an appropriate affiliate link for something I'm talking about, that'll be at the bottom of the description as well. I appreciate you so much. Thanks for coming by, and I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's The Real Rae. Bye.